Okay, so yes, I can see it. Tell me what is the problem.
Mm, well, when you go to products and brands, these icons, I screwed them up. It's like that one. I can't reduce the icon I had for it, and then this one the same way. Um, and then I've got yeah, this one is, and then I've got two new lines that I need to put up that I have ready to go over here. I think I did this right on my pages. Um, let me see. Um, oh, products and services there. Nope. Website. Pages. Products and brands. Here we go. So, like Life Ballet is new, Foster's new, Electric Mirror is new. I need these added in where it says draft. And I've got the icons. I can't make them small enough to fit on there to tell, so people can see what it is. Does that make sense?
Yes, I understand what is the problem.
Okay. And like, yeah, Amaranth up here, it's way too big. So,
Is it displaying good? Those are already uploaded.
yeah, I've got everything ready to go. I just, I think, I got to open it up to see.
Okay, let me check it. Okay.
Okay.
Stop share your screen. Let me share my one. Stop share the screen.
Stop sharing it.
Yes.
Okay.
Let me share my one. You can see my screen, right? Can you see it?
Tab, is that what you want me to touch? We click.
No, no, no. You just need to see my screen. See it, and let me go to account.squarespace.com.
Your baby. You guys had just had a baby the last time we chatted.
Yeah, she was my daughter.
Oh, she's doing well?
Yeah, she's doing well.
Awesome. My 32-year-old baby just came home.
Uh,
She's been in California for a number of years, and she just came home here about a month ago.
uh, okay, so this is your website. Let me go to the pages, product and brands, and after that, this image we need to fix. Okay, so this one is this one, settings. Okay, here is the picture. Let me check this one, settings. it's square. So then we need to do, let me go to Canva, go to here, save images, WVP. Position. Let me make it something bigger. Americ. And okay, now it's fine. You can see?
I do. And then if I want to make the link to the website on that, I can just do that in an edit, like the link to amrec.com. Is it not on there? It's in there. It's in there.
Where is that? What do you mean by link?
If they were to click on that, it'll open up the information I want to put on the page, correct?
Yes, here is
So
the
I'll just
page.
need to add all that information onto the page,
1 second.
correct?
Yes. 1 second.
Okay.
Let me reload again. And here also,
It doesn't matter really on that page what it looks like. It's just that front page. But if you can make that smaller,
yes.
there you go.
Okay, and here is the link as well. You can change. So who is link?
Yeah, everything's good on there.
Okay, so you can do it, right?
Right, I can get that. And then the next one is that further down, the big SW on Strasser.
Duravit.
Duravit, I'm sorry, Duravit.
Okay, so
And then
you want to fix this one as well? This one will look.
Let's fix that one. Yeah, fix that one first.
Okay, which one is this? This one? No. Oh, this one. Stressor. Copy, paste it. Okay. Replace upload file.
Actually, I don't know if I can get to this while you're driving here, but
Okay, now this one looks good now. Okay.
okay.
Okay, now we need to go ahead with the Duravit, right?
Yes.
Okay. This one quality is very low. Do you have high quality of that? Duravit.
Mm,
Can I find it on Google?
yes, you can.
This one, right? Yes, they're same.
We might go back to that Strasser wood because they've got a different logo that I'd like to use, and I'll see if I can find it.
1 second. This one.
Okay.
This
That
one.
one works.
Okay. This one is high quality. Okay.
So that one that you just reduced, the SW one, I want to see if there's a different
Logo.
right out there.
Different logo?
It's Strasser wood would be the one that we'd want to look for. It's called Strasser Wooden Works. It's just a better, tells people more about what it is, you know? At least the name of the company.
You want to use another logo for that, right?
No, that one is fine. Duravit is fine. I'm going back to the SW
This
down
one.
here, down there. Yeah, that one. There's a better logo out there. I don't
This
have
one?
it. I was
This
looking-
one?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. This one.
There we go.
Should I make it publish? Huh?
Yeah. Now these can all be published.
Okay. Let me check this one.
It's not bad, really.
We can get more better picture on Google.
Okay.